Hey everyone, so you've got TLauncher installed, and now you want to dive into Modpacks without spending hours dragging files into folders, right? Well, good news! TLauncher already has a built-in Modpack hub. You don't need to download anything extra. Let me show you exactly how to install Modpacks the easy way. Start by launching TLauncher. Make sure you're signed in. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry. I covered how to set that up in my last video, so check that out first. Once you're in, look at the bottom right. You'll see a tab called TL Mods, or sometimes just Modpacks, depending on your version. Click that. Now you're inside the TLauncher Modpack Hub. Here you'll find tons of Modpacks, everything from RL Craft to Better Minecraft to fan-made collections with crazy performance or progression systems. You can sort by popularity, version, or even search by name. Find one that looks good? Click on it and check the details. You'll see the Minecraft version, how many mods it has, and sometimes even reviews from other players. Once you've picked your mod pack, just hit the install button. TLauncher will automatically download everything you need, including Forge, all the mod files, and any dependencies. No file dragging, no setup headaches, just click and wait. When it's done installing, the Enter the Game button will pop up at the bottom. Now just hit the Enter the Game button and let the mod pack load. The first launch might take a minute or two. That's normal for modded Minecraft. Once you're in, you'll usually see a Mods button on the main menu, and you're good to go. And that's it. Installing Modpacks on TLauncher is seriously that easy. No manual downloads, no messing with folders, just pick, click, and play. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy modding!